Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a neat stack of pages, cover, and spine material now. Once aligned, clamp them with binder clips so edges stay true. Use a bone folder to gently flatten the spine edge. This creates a crisp fold line and helps glue penetrate evenly. Make sure the top and bottom are flush. Measure 1/8-inch allowance for the cover wrap. Once done, label the spine lightly so you don't mix signatures during the next step. You now glue the spine. Apply an even coat of PVA glue with a brush, covering about 0.5 inch of the edge. Once coated, fan open each group slightly so glue reaches between signatures. This binds pages internally and prevents future shedding. After that, press the stack in a jig or weighted press to keep edges square. Leave it undisturbed for 30 to 60 minutes so the glue cures. Make sure the spine remains straight. You finish by attaching the cover. Place end papers on the glued spine, then lay the cover over them, leaving a 1/8-inch gap between cover and spine for flexibility. Smooth from center out with a bone folder, removing air pockets and ensuring even adhesion. Trim any uneven edges with a straight blade and press the assembled book under weight for 24 hours to fully cure. If pages loosen later, reinforce the spine seam with a thin bead of glue. Work quickly and clamp until set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.